Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Pathshala. In this video, we will talk about PAPL given by SBI. Now what is PAPL? It is pre-approved personal loan provided by SBI to give some financial help to its existing customers in this COVID-19 crisis. Now, how SBI will give you this pre-approved personal loan? First thing SBI will look for is your relationship tenure with SBI. Then next, how much money you are depositing in or withdrawing through your account, your credit card bills, your EMIs, all these are checked through their artificial intelligence, and then a CIBIL score is prepared on this basis. Then this CIBIL score will decide your loan amount. Other things on which your eligibility depends are: you must be a salary account holder in SBI, your net monthly income should be more than 25,000, your CIBIL score must be satisfactory, and the maximum amount for which you can apply is 3 times of your average salary. Now you can also check through SMS whether you are eligible or not, or if eligible, then for how much amount you are eligible. For this, you just have to type PAPL on your mobile phone and then give a space, then last 4 digits of your SBI saving bank account number, and then send it to 567676. Suppose last 4 digits of my account number is 5148. Then I will type PAPL space 5148 and send it to 567676. Now what are the purpose for which you can take this loan? You can take this loan for any bona fide reason. That is for some medical emergency, or for education, or for marriage. Also, you can take this loan for the repayment of your higher post loan. Now let's calculate NMI. NMI is net monthly income. As I've discussed earlier also, your net monthly income should be more than 25,000 for applying this loan. That means if you subtract ATC deductions, taxes, other deductions and your proposed EMI from your gross salary, then you should be left with at least 25,000. Then only you will be eligible for applying this loan. If you are left with less than 25, then you won't be eligible for this loan. Now let's discuss the process for its application. You don't need to step out of your house for applying for this loan. All you have to do is just download the YONO app and log into that. Then you will see Avail Now option. Just click on that. Fill the tenure and the amount you need. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP and you are sorted. That's all. Now what are the points to be remembered for applying this? First point is that the last date of application for this loan is 30th June 2020. After this, you won't be able to apply for it. Your CIBIL score should be satisfactory. Processing fees is very less. As I have discussed earlier, you don't need to step out, you don't need to go anywhere. It is paperless, hassle-free, and the amount will be credited directly to your saving account without visiting the branch. All the above information that I have shared with you all is gathered from these websites. If you have any queries, then you can visit these websites or you can visit your nearest SBI branch. That's all for today's video. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check it there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you. Have a good day.